Hey there, hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is your Ramandeep Singh and I'm back with yet another video in the course, and today in this video lecture we'll be learning about a few statements which are very important in iterative statements, है ना? Like while using loops. Statements are break, continue and pass. So let's just see what are those statements. So statements are, first is break. So why do we use break statement? Break statement is used when we say क्या कहते हैं, we need to out of to break out of current iteration. So for instance, let's say while I is less than 5, print I. This is a simple program where I, let's say, starts from 1 and it moves up until 4. Now I add something here, like if I becomes 3, then break. So now if I add these two lines of code here, so what happens is when I becomes 3, we break out of this current iteration. We break out of this current iteration. Okay? So we break out of this while loop. Cool hai? So the control moves here. That's simple thing. Now anything else you want to say? This is clear? That's the sole purpose of break statement. So we can also use for loop here. For I in range, let's say 1 to 10, if I is equals to 3, we will break. Cool hai? So that's how it works. So let's see how. So let's just jump to the code editor. So let's see here, I is equals to 1, while I less than 6, print I. If I is equals to 4, break. 1 2 3. So I is 1, 1 less than 6 true, print 1, move I to 2, I is 2, 2 is not equal to 4, move to the next iteration, 2 less than 6 true, print 2, then again I becomes 3, 3 less than 6, print 3, and then I becomes 4. I is equal to 4, we break out of the loop. So we print 1 2 3. So we print 1 2 3. That's all. We do not print 4 because at I is equal to 4 we break. At I is equal to 4 we break. ठीक है, तो ये रहा. फॉर में यूज करके देखते हैं. फॉर आई इन रेंज लेट्स से 10, इफ आई प्रिंट आई, नहीं, इफ आई इज इक्वल टू 5, ब्रेक. ठीक है, अदरवाइज चलो प्रिंट करके देखते हैं. So what do we do is I is 0, so it starts from 0 से शुरू होना चाहिए. हाँ, 0 से शुरू हो रहा है. 0 1 2 3 4. So as I becomes 5 we break out of the loop. We do not go beyond 5. ठीक है, so that is the work of break. Let's move to the next thing, and that is continue. So why do we use continue statement? Let's understand that. So why do we use continue statement? Let's understand that. So continue statement so this statement is actually what do we say कि इस statement में क्या रहता है कि let's say we want to continue from a certain point of for I in range, let's say 5. So if I is equal to 3, continue, print I. So when I is 3, continue to the next iteration. Otherwise, move to the next line. If I is not equals to 3, execute the code which is below this continue statement. So if I want to let's say skip क्या कहते हैं कि चलो भाई when I is 3, I do not want to execute whatever is written from this point downwards, then I can use continue. Continue to the next iteration, skip for 3. We can skip for let's say more elements. If I is equals to 3 or I is equals to 2, then skip. Otherwise execute whatever the code is written beyond that continue statement. Okay, let's jump to the code for this thing. So it's used when it's used to move to the next iteration based on a certain condition. So for I in range 10, continue. So when I is equals to 5, we print something like print I, print that I. Okay, and yeah, that's how it works. Cool है. Fine, ठीक है. Now anything else? Continue, print I. ठीक है. So like here in this case we have this thing कि I 0 से शुरू करता है, 0 से 9 तक जाता है, and if I is equals to 5, continue. Otherwise print that I. तो I अगर 5 है तो will continue to the next iteration. I becomes 6, it becomes 7, 8, 9, 10. Otherwise you're gonna print I. ठीक है. So that's how the things work. ठीक है, कंटिन्यू हो गया. लेट्स मूव टू द पास थिंग. पास में क्या होता है कि लेट्स से इन पास इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ नल ऑपरेशन, है ना. इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक अ नल ऑपरेशन. सो लेट्स से यू वांट टू स्किप सम ब्लॉक. सो पास इज बेसिकली अ नल ऑपरेशन. सो पास इज so pass is null operation. So let's say if let's say you write some function, or let's say you write something, let's say for, and you are not writing any code, so you left this loop for later कि भाई ठीक है बाद में आके इसको पूरा करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशंस यू पुट अ पास हियर कि ठीक है इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ नल ऑपरेशन कि कुछ मत करो. एम्प्टी फंक्शन के लिए यूज़ होता है, एम्प्टी लूप्स के लिए यूज़ होता है ना. एम्प्टी कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट्स में यूज़ कर सकते हो कि इफ़ समथिंग सम कंडीशन होल्ड्स देन डू नथिंग, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है. सो फॉर इंस्टेंस लेट्स से for I in range 5, pass, doing nothing. We are doing nothing, we are leaving this loop empty while I less than 20, pass, do nothing, just null operation. ठीक है. सो इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक कि ठीक है आप एक कोड लिखने लगे, उसमें आपने 5-7 फंक्शंस लिखे. अलग लेट्स से यू आर डेवलपिंग सम वेबसाइट, वेब एप्लीकेशन या कुछ भी, तो उसमें अलग अलग लेट्स से आप API लिख रहे हो, कुछ भी लिख रहे हो, CRUD लिख रहे हो लेट्स से, है ना. तो आपने व्यूज़ लिखे लेट्स से, तो उसमें आपने जब आप व्यूज़ लिख रहे हो तो आई थिंक ये सब चीज़ें लेट्स से फंक्शंस लिख रहे हो ना, फंक्शंस लिख रहे हो तो लेट्स से यू आर राइटिंग 5 फंक्शंस एंड यू हैवंट डिफाइंड देम. ठीक है. एंड इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज दिस कीवर्ड पास लाइक इन डेवलपर्स पर्सपेक्टिव. कूल है. ठीक है. If you have like some confusion about this pass thing, or you will get to know, don't worry about it as you practice more and more problems. Cool. So that's all for this video. I hope you get better clarity about these statements, about these keywords which we have discussed today. Continue, break and pass, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.